do you know the weak spots in your cleaning company or organization? Have you ever been in the hot seat trying to figure it out? With us today, we have Brandon Vaughn, who's the chief strategist at Conquer, and he has a workshop at ISSA Show North America that's perfect for what you need. Thank you, Brandon, for being with us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Your presentation is in 3 different tracks. I have to read these. So the business development and leadership track, the commercial cleaning track, and the residential cleaning track. And it's an all access pass session. I imagine if you had to run around and do all three tracks separately, that wouldn't work. You're going to do it all together. Conquer Your Cleaning Business is your title on Tuesday, November 16th at 1 p.m. Tell us, Brandon, why should people come to your session?
The number one biggest reason is this will be unlike any event that you've ever gone to before. Rather than just listening to me as a talking head up on stage, you're actually going to leverage being able to network and connect and workshop and mastermind and brainstorm with other successful cleaning business owners. So one of the things that makes this event very unique is imagine a room full of CEOs and executives of companies doing 7, 8 figures in annual revenue, and sitting down at tables and all working to solve your biggest bottleneck in your company today. So the Conquer Your Cleaning Business workshop actually is going to start off with you scoring and assessing your business as it stands right now, finding out what your number one biggest bottleneck is, what's holding you back from getting there. And then everyone at your table is going to hear that problem and all work to solve it together. So it's very, very unique. And the reason why all 3 tracks are being opened up is that this is an open invitation to all attendees that are CEOs and owners and executives of their own cleaning businesses. And we're going to have Ricky Regalado, Debbie Sardone, Elena, Alonzo, and a whole bunch of other Conquer coaches and executives and people that own their own 7 and 8 figure businesses walking around and helping everyone out at all the tables. So very, very unique event. It's a 3-hour workshop. Roll up your sleeves and get ready to work because it's going to be a lot of fun.